Welcome to The Mortgage Brief, a podcast filled with mortgage loan information at your fingertips. This show is for the first-time homebuyer, the move-up buyer, and the current homeowner looking for residential lending tips and tricks about the home buying or refinancing process. I'm your host, Jason Ammon from Guild Mortgage. I'm a licensed residential mortgage loan officer with 20-plus years experience, and on today's show, we're talking about what it takes to become a homeowner. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. A guide to first-time homebuyer loans. Are you ready to start the journey toward owning your very first home? We want to help by sharing some options for first-time homebuyer loans. In this blog post, we'll explore home loans with low down payment requirements, flexible credit qualifications, and reduced mortgage insurance costs. What's a first-time homebuyer? First-time homebuyer mortgage programs offer several benefits that can make it easier and more attainable for individuals and families to purchase their first home. You might still qualify as a first-time home buyer even if you've owned a home before if you meet the following criteria. You're purchasing the security property. You'll reside in the security property as a principal residence. And you've had no ownership interest, sole or joint, in a residential property during the 3-year period preceding the date of the purchase of the security property. In addition, an individual who is a displaced homemaker or single parent also will be considered a first-time home buyer if they had no ownership interest in a principal residence other than a joint ownership interest with a spouse during the preceding 3-year time period. Qualifications for first-time home buying mortgages. If you're looking to buy your first home, there are a few things to keep in mind when applying for a home loan. Each type of first-time home buying mortgage has specific requirements, but here are some general qualifications to consider. Credit score. Your credit score measures your ability to repay your debt and ranges from 300 to 850. A higher score shows you're more likely to make your monthly mortgage payments on time and can improve your approval chances. However, you don't need a perfect score or credit score at all. Credit scores as low as 540 may qualify for some first-time homebuyer loans. Homeownership is also possible with our Complete Rate program. The program analyzes consistent income deposits and payments, including rental payment history, to provide a better interest rate to customers with no traditional credit score. Income and employment. When you apply for a mortgage, you must show you have a reliable way to make your monthly payments. Providing details about your employment history and income by submitting pay stubs, tax returns, and proof of employment can help confirm that you're a dependable borrower. Debt-to-income ratio, DTI. Your debt-to-income ratio, DTI, compares monthly debt obligations to gross monthly income. Why does this number matter? Your DTI ratio is a key indicator of your financial health and how much home you can afford. Down payment. Did you know you don't need to put 20% down on a home to qualify? Typically, first-time homebuyer programs offer zero and low down payment requirements, so you won't have to worry about saving up a substantial amount of money up front. To see how the amount of your down payment affects the affordability of your monthly mortgage payment, try out different scenarios with our mortgage payment calculator. Savings and assets. The amount of cash you've saved shows your ability to manage loan payments, pay closing costs, and cover unexpected expenses. These are general qualifications. Connect with a loan officer to learn more about the first-time homebuyer loans that may suit your financial situation. Down payment assistance for first-time homebuyers. Down payment assistance DPA programs are here to help first-time homebuyers like you increase their buying power. They're ideal for those borrowers who can manage monthly mortgage payments but don't want to wait to save up for a down payment. You can find DPA programs offered by state or local governments, as well as other organizations aiming to support first-time homebuyers. These programs can help ease the initial financial pressure of buying a home and may even cover some closing costs. And if the assistance comes as a home buying grant, you won't have to repay it. Guild Mortgage's loan programs for first-time homebuyers. We offer loan programs for first-time homebuyers designed to make homeownership more attainable. With zero and low down payment options, you can say goodbye to renting and hello to the benefits of homeownership. FHA financing. For borrowers with lower incomes and credit scores, owning a home is still within reach. With more flexible requirements, FHA loans are designed to be more accessible than other types of home loans. For example, you may only need a 3.5% down payment and have a credit score as low as 540. Even if you have an established credit, we can help. USDA loan. Are you looking to buy in a rural or suburban area? With USDA loans, you can enjoy benefits such as zero down payment requirements. Another advantage of USDA loans is their better than average interest rates, helping to reduce your long-term borrowing costs. VA loans. Designed to support veterans and active duty service members, VA home loans have zero down payment options and allow you to qualify even if you have a limited credit history. If you're eligible for a VA loan, you may also benefit from a lower interest rate than a traditional mortgage, helping to reduce your monthly mortgage payments. VA loans offer the option for no private mortgage insurance, PMI, decreasing your overall costs. Zero down. For many first-time home buyers, saving for a down payment is one of the first steps of the home buying process and can take years. Our zero down program is an option to buy a home sooner without waiting to save. This program pairs a standard FHA first mortgage for up to 96.5% of the total purchase price, plus second mortgage options for your down payment and/or closing costs. The second mortgage provides down payment assistance of 3.5 to 5% of the purchase price as a repayable lien. Payment Advantage. Reduce your rate by 1% for the first year on us. Our Payment Advantage program allows you to lock in a conventional loan, and will pay 1% of your interest rate for 1 year with a lender-paid temporary buy-down. After the first year, you'll have a predictable payment increase and may be eligible to refinance through programs such as the Payment Protection Program, which has no lender fees. For Payment Protection Program full terms and conditions, visit www.guildmortgage.com/homebuyer protection. Payment Advantage Plus. With Payment Advantage Plus, a 2-for-1 buy-down program, eligible home buyers can save even more. Payment Advantage Plus lowers your monthly payment for the first 2 years. When using a seller credit, your interest rate is 2% lower for the first year. Then we'll pay to lower the interest rate by 1% for the second year. 1% down payment advantage. With 1% down payment advantage, you can start your home buying journey with as little as 1% down payment, and Guild will provide a 2% grant to make up your 3% down payment requirement on a conventional loan. Plus, we've added Payment Advantage, where we'll pay your interest rate down by 1% for year 1. First-time homebuyer loan next steps. Buying your first home is an exciting milestone. However, there are a lot of factors to consider. These 9 tips for first-time homebuyers can help you navigate the process with confidence. Thanks for tuning in to today's show. If you would like more information about this topic or any topic related to the buying or refinancing of a 1 to 4 unit residential property, please reach out to me or my team by visiting my website, www.guildmortgage.com/Jason Ammon. That's JASONAMMANN. You can also find us on Instagram under the handle @JasonAmmonGuildMortgage and on YouTube under the same handle. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time right here on The Mortgage Brief. Guild Mortgage Company, Equal Housing Opportunity, NMLS number 3274, Jason Ammon, NMLS number 126651. I'm licensed to do business in the state of New Hampshire. The information provided today is for educational purposes only. Position, strategies, or opinions of the show do not necessarily represent the position, strategies, or opinions of Guild Mortgage Company or its affiliates. Each loan is subject to underwriter final approval. All information, loan programs, interest rates, terms, and conditions are subject to change without notice. Always consult an accountant or tax advisor for full eligibility requirements on tax deductions.